This is quite a nice output. Like that last TAT plugin by Zeek, I can say Gecho is doing also some amazing things on the CMD console to make it much more useful and interactive for the user. How it is doing it? Let's talk about it. Hello there, Karan here, and we are going to talk about amazing creation by my friend from Turkey, Groofy, and he has created a something similar to TAT plugin, but I think this one has more, you can say, options. And let's talk about all of them in this video. And in the demo video, as you can see here in the demo file, that the name for some reason is lookup.bat, it should be test or something, but okay. So color name based Gecho. So he is giving you example how you can use this Gecho plugin. This is version 2 of the Gecho, improved one. We talked about the version 1 previously, and this is much improved. I think he took Groofy took inspiration from Zeek and made it much better. On the other hand, Zeek created TAT in C, while this one is created in C#. Let's talk about it. So this is an example. If you want a red color, you will write like HTML tags. You will write this arrow brackets and then the command or the tag that you want to run for the next text, and the output of this particular command will be similar to this. You see, this is a red because R was there, and GN for green, and gray for gray, and then we said black, and you cannot see the text here because it's black. So for some reason I'll select this, right click, I'll open Notepad quickly, and let's see if Groovy is saying the truth. I'll say paste, and you can see black is copied, so that means the text color was black. And here he reset with this special tag, or whatever he wants to say it, but I like that it's similar to a HTML tag or something, and then blue. Okay, awesome. So the usage is quite easy. It's much better than the color command. The color command changes the colors of the entire screen. You can use some tricks to change the color. I love Batbox, but with Batbox to change the color you need to write I'll say, let's for example, you want to do Batbox and you want to change the color to, for a text, let's say green A, the hexadecimal for that, and then you write the text text, and this is the command that will print a green colored text on the CMD screen. If I'll open another terminal and paste this and press enter, and you see it pastes a green text, and then I did not reset it, and then everything else coming after that is green. But now if I want to do the same with Gecho, let me quickly install it. Bat install Gecho 2.0. yeah, Gecho 2.0 is getting installed, and okay, we'll wait for a few seconds, and I think it's installed now. So I'll say Gecho. We can use it simply with calling Gecho, and then all I need to do is, let's first change the color back. Color OA, no, not OA, actually 07. So everything is back to the normal theme. Now let's try to do the same thing with Gecho. So we tried with Batbox. Let me also reset the color back to 07. So it will print a green text, and then this. Now compare it with Gecho. Gecho, all you need to do is green. You need to make sure that it is surrounded by double quotes, and then the text, and then this. Oh, okay, I think I need to write GR. Oh, okay, failed for some reason. Let me see what I'm missing. So he's writing GN for green. Okay, green, GN, perfect. But we did not get this green, we get a darker shade of green, but still it's green. And you see, if you compare this code, which is bit looks like bit cryptic, and you see this code, it's much more handy and easy to understand and easy to program as well, and that makes life much more easy. That is why I like the version 1 of Gecho. Now version 2 has much more properties than the version 1. And here you see, you can also now ask for colors based on hexadecimal code. Wow. Oh, that's something unique. That is amazing. And it says this is Indian red color. Okay. And this color, yes, this red are totally different. You can supply hexadecimal. Next is multi-line in one line, Gecho. Okay, you can also say in single command to print a multi-line string with using a new line character. You can also use new line as a tag, one of the tags for Gecho. Nice. Okay, that can be useful as well. Custom opacity, you can also adjust opacity of the text. Wow, that is nice. You need to understand one thing. I have directly tested Gecho on the terminal, Windows terminal, not in the traditional CMD, because I know some of the feature will not work here. So as world is coming to the terminal slowly, we are going to terminal as well, Windows terminal. And here we have this command, Gecho. You supply everything in between double quotes and all the tags inside. Okay, you supply this minus 80 minus, that means the opacity of the text will be 80%. I think this is minus 50 minus, then you say the color and half opacity. Wow, this is amazing. You can also adjust opacity. That's great. That helps actually in emphasizing a particular text. I need to check if we can go beyond 100. I don't think so, because that's not technically possible. Custom modify, and you can also modify a text, bold text. Okay, by default in terminal every text is bold. That's why I think you cannot see the difference here. Bold disabled, italic enabled. Then you see bold disabled. Wow, feels like a bit regex kind of thing. And then this is the bold text, italic. You can also get underline, inverted text is there, strike through, like the tat plugin by Zeek. Similar conditions, similar things. Overline is also working properly. Now we see a new thing, control plus click for open Google. Okay, if I click here it won't do anything, but if I press control and click here, it will open Google, and it has opened Google in my other screen. And you can see the Google search engine is here now. Quite nice. And you can also hex. Yeah, if you can provide hex for the foreground color, you can also provide hex for the background. And how you can do that is, you just need to specify before the tag, you need to write BG, then the hex code, and then the text, and then BG red. Okay, you do not need to close the tag like in HTML. You can keep on going, but if you want to stop the tag's effect on the next coming text, you need to either reset it or overwrite it with another condition. So it's just red. So here you see this one worked, like the background color changed to this rosy brown hex, but the next text background becomes just red. Quite nice. Amazing. Everything at one line. Amazing. Red, Indian red, high opacity, half opacity, less opacity, like we saw. Now all the executions are done in a single line, and I'm very curious to see the code. I think he combined everything here. And then bold, italic, underline, everything works same as it is. Let me see if we have something else. Let me press enter. Okay, we don't. That this is the end of the demo file, but it's great. So let's do one thing. Let's cls Gecho and then slash question mark. Amazing. Too much of documentation. Very nice documented, I must say. And Gecho helps you write colorful text in one line with low microseconds guaranteed. Okay, I think he tries to say here that he's trying to say that Gecho will beautify your output on the CMD console, and will do it with the minimum possible time in execution. Great. And you can do this. You need to write conditions, then the text, and you can write as many conditions as you want. Let's try to do this. I'll do this command in a new terminal. Perfect. It works quite nice. And because of CMD rules, you must enclose the string in double quotes. Yes, you need to understand double quotes are important here. So Gecho just accepts one parameter, and inside this one parameter you can pass as many as you can say tags as you want. So this is a single parameter here, because double quotes enclose means one parameter enclosed. If you write something out of that, I don't think that will work. Let's try that. So this line plus, then I'll write red, and I'll write here hello, and then I'll reset it and then press enter. Wow, I was wrong. So it does not accept just one parameter, it keeps on reading on. And you can see I have also a red hello here, like I said here. So just do one thing, how many parameters you are providing doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is surround them by double quotes, because if you do not, this arrow brackets serve a particular purpose in the CMD environment. And I think if you are watching this video, you already know that. If you don't, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll try to make a video on that. Next is foreground. To change the foreground color, you have all these tags. Amazing. And then you can also define a hexadecimal with starting with the hash symbol, or you can also define a background color with starting with BG. I think it must be here. Yeah. So if your tag starts with BG, it will definitely assume that you want to change the background color. Otherwise, hash means hexadecimal, and if you do not do anything, just write the color, foreground color. It will change your foreground color. Next is new line character is this, and this is the reset character. Reset opacity. Okay, to reset the opacity, minus slash, and simple slash is just to reset that the normal properties. And you can also reset the background is by bg slash. Amazing. So that means slash is your friend whenever you want to come out of Gecho's colorful beautification of your console screen. Gecho has been written by Groovy, Life4, and helped by this guy, can't pronounce their name, and another guy. Awesome. William Ragstad. And awesome, this is a great contributed project that will help definitely in making if not yours, my documentations of the next tools that I will build will be very colorful with the help of Gecho. Awesome. So let's talk about the code quickly, and I will open the folder, and let's go to the demo file. Before we say goodbye, I will edit it with Notepad++, and it's in another screen. No, yes, come here. You can see here it's very simple. You just Gecho and that's then it's very great. It looks like Gecho boot. So plus means you are trying to modify custom modification you are trying to do, and plus everything starts with plus is a custom for bold, I think, or custom modification. Custom star is bold, exclamation star is bold disabled. That I did not understand, but okay, you disable the bold or you reset it, I think. Italic enabled. Okay, looks quite nice. You can also use shortcuts that will make it with cryptic, but amazing. I can say one thing, it's awesome. So I think guys, that is pretty much all. let's say goodbye. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any doubt, feel free to comment, and me and Groovy will help you out with your doubts, and maybe you will suggest some features that we will implement in future. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, and bye bye. Take care.